Given general orders. GO number 1. To take charge of this post and all government property in view. GO number 2. To walk my post in military manner, keeping always on alert and observing everything that takes place with sight and hearing. GO number 3. To report all violations of orders I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To repeat all calls from posts more distant from the guardhouse than my own. GO number 5. To quit my post when only properly relieved. GO number 6. To receive, obey, and pass on the sentinel who relieved me all orders from commanding officer, officer of the day, and non-commissioned officer of the guard only. GO number 7. To talk to no one except in line of duty. GO number 8. To give alarm in case of fire or disorder. GO number 9. To call the commander of the relief in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10. To salute all officer of colors in standard not case. GO number 11. To be specially watchful at night during the time of challenging and to challenge all person on or near my post, and to allow no one to pass without proper authority.
Da sa pagsasanay sa paggawak ng sandata. Kanang balikat. Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kaliwang balikat. Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. Agap. Ta. 1, 2. Baba. Ta. 1, 2, 3. Siyasat. Ta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Agap. Ta. Baba. Ta. 1, 2, 3. Tanghal. Ta. 1, 2. Baba. Ta. 1, 2, 3. Tikas. Nga. Paluwag. Tong. Da.